some ideas to help you or somebody you know quit smoking. Everyone has their own opinion on how to quit smoking, but you have to do it for yourself and what fits you, not anybody else. You have to really want to quit and put your mind to it for it to work. I know how hard it is because I have struggled with smoking most of my life. You can do it. Remember that. As you go through the quit process, look at all the people that have quit and succeeded. Okay, here's what we're going to go over, and then we will go into each one just a little bit deeper. So get a notebook or a piece of paper to write down these ideas, and then make a plan on how you're going to fit this into your life. Make sure to keep it nearby so you can refer back to it if you get stuck, or just a reminder of your path and how to stay on it. Also, identify your triggers and plan to avoid them. Set a quit date and stick to it. Consider nicotine replacement therapy, such as gum or patches. Get support from friends, family, or a support group. Keep yourself occupied with other activities to replace smoking. Try stress management techniques, such as exercise or mindfulness. Reward yourself for not smoking. And last, what we're going to go over is don't give up. Quitting smoking takes time and effort. The first one we're going to go over is identifying triggers. Identify situations, places, and people that trigger your desire to smoke and make a plan to avoid or manage them. So when you are ready to quit smoking, you're prepared. Next, make a plan, decide on a quit date, and stick to it. Write down in your journal your reasons for quitting and create a plan to manage your cravings and triggers. Get support. Surround yourself with a supportive network, including friends, family, or possibly a support group. Consider counseling or quit smoking programs. Consider NRTs, nicotine replacement therapy. NRTs can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. NRT options include gum, patches, lozenges, inhalers, and nasal sprays. Avoid triggers. Now that you've quit smoking, avoid the things that cause your smoking triggers. Next on the list is keep yourself occupied. Find other activities to replace smoking, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with friends and family. Manage stress. Stress can trigger cravings, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. This is one of my favorite ones, and it will be yours too. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes along the way and reward yourself for reaching milestones, such as 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months smoke-free. You decide. This can be a hard one, but you can do it. Stay positive. Quitting smoking is a journey, and it's important to stay positive. And don't beat yourself up if you slip. All you have to do is just get back on track and keep moving forward. This is an important one. Seek medical help. If you're having a difficult time quitting, talk to your doctor about prescription medications or other treatments that they think might help. Just remember, never give up, no matter how hard it gets. Quitting smoking is challenging, but it's possible. Remember, don't be hard on yourself if you slip off track or fail completely. Keep trying and never give up on your goal of becoming smoke-free. You can absolutely do it. Good luck. Well, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps our channel.